I brought a $700 commercial grade bouncy house from Amazon. Let's test it out. This is the company. That's the box that it comes in. It's a 13 by 13. I have two blowers here. One is a 1 HP. The other one I'm not too sure of. I think it's less HP. I'm gonna start off with the smaller blower, and if not, I'll use the larger blower, 1 HP. But it's one of the smallest commercial grade bounce house that I believe. I had the blowers already. So again, I'm gonna try to make this a quick video. I'm gonna try it with the small blower. Let's see how this works out. Take the two straps off. Just unroll it. So I used to do bouncy houses. I used to have a bouncy house business. This is why I know a little bit about them. I know how to blow them up easily. This is actually a big one. I wasn't expecting it to be that long. So let's get that camera right. So what I was just pointing to, there's an easy zipper in the back. You just zipper it up to keep the air closed. When you're gonna deflate it, unzipper, air comes out. Now it's time to put the blower. I'm gonna put the smaller blower first. Okay guys, there's two hoses in the back. One you put the blower on, the other one you just strap it up to keep it tight so no air comes out. Time to blow it up. So the smaller blower that I had, I think is doing pretty good. Let's see when it's all up to see if it's firm. And either way, I think it's a good bounce house. $700 for a commercial grade, right on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Um, you can't beat it. I used to buy used ones around that price, kind of thing, or 500. This is brand new, jungle theme. It actually has a basketball hoop on the inside, pretty cool. And it has like a canopy on top where you can open it up, let the sunlight in. Okay, I just went around, I checked both hoses, everything looks good. I checked the zipper part, secure, firm. I'm a kid again. Like and subscribe.